How to get followers on IG. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can get followers on IG, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, getting followers on IG is much more easier if you are providing some kind of value and that your Instagram page indicates something. Maybe you're a business, or maybe you are just some kind of pages that is trying to help the audience out. If it's just a personal profile, people who don't know you will not follow you because you're nobody to them. But if you're providing something, then in that case people could follow you. Now in my case it's just my own personal account, so I'm not really going to deep dive into this, but if you have some other accounts, there are a couple of steps you can follow. You can try to optimize your profile correctly so you just can learn more about your brand. You can also use relevant hashtags, so whenever someone posts something you can notice that people actually use hashtags sometimes. So if you would like to do that, you can go ahead and add some hashtags if you'd like that as well. You can create some Instagram reels, because nowadays most people actually just watch reels only, so you can just go ahead and optimize and create a reel and promote your account. Run some giveaways, and in a giveaway just type in one of the criteria is to follow you, so when you give something people will follow you. So these are simply some of the ways. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.